Children, good morning and welcome back to the new session. It's a while that we are meeting again for the new session. This is session number 14. I hope you have been watching the videos of chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. Alright, in the previous session, you must have seen how we solve exercise 13.3. Alright, and then we wrote down the formula to find surface area of sphere. And sphere has only curved surface area. So curved surface area or total surface area for the sphere is same. But if you talk about hemisphere, and if it is solid hemisphere, it will have curved surface as well as circular bottom surface. Ulta kar diya to circular top surface. Are you getting me? Yes. So you have curved surface area of hemisphere as well as total surface area of hemisphere. Acha, what is curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. Total surface area? 3 pi r square. And surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. Very good. अच्छा लगा मुझे? चल. Can we solve the four illustrations based on this formula?
Yes.
Third bench, sit upright. Check. Are you ready?
Yes.
So here is the question. Find the surface area of sphere of radius 7
Centimeter.
You have to find area, surface area of sphere whose radius is
7 centimeter.
So quite easy, children. Solution. Very quickly I am going to draw the sphere like this. What is the radius of this sphere given? 7 centimeter. And you have to find surface area. Boliye. Surface area is equal to, what is the formula? 4 pi r square. Go for the substitution. What is the value of 4? अरे वो खुद ही तो वैल्यू है, वो खुद ही तो वैल्यू है. 4. Value of pi? Because nothing is mentioned about pi, so we'll have to recall the value that is memorized or known to us. That is 22 upon 7. And the radius is given. And fortunately it's a multiple of 7. 7 into 7. So you can easily get rid of 7 in the denominator. 7, 7. 7 ones are 7 ones. That is understood. Okay. I'll multiply this orally. 4 sevens are multiplied by, I'll write one step. 28 multiplied by 22. 0, 16, 5. 5 or 6. 6, 1, 6. So that is 6, 1, 6. And what have we been finding?
Surface area.
We have been finding surface area. So I'll put just one word area, and it's in terms of centimeter. So unit of area is centimeter. And no one is going to ask you this in the exam. Such simple one. Of course. Surface area देंगे और you have to, मतलब twist. Area will be given and you have to find radius or diameter of the sphere. That type of question, and that too in an objective form. Okay? Done?
Yes.
Can we proceed further?
Yes.
Yes. Now number 8. Number 8. Alright? Are you ready?
Yes.
Here is the question. Find number 1, the curved surface area, and number 2, total surface area of hemisphere of radius.
7 centimeter.
It doesn't take any time to draw the hemisphere. आपको एक vertical horizontal line segment draw करनी है. Select its midpoint. So this is radius, this is radius. उतना ही radius ऊपर ले लो, and then ये semicircle. This is, yeah. This one is also रेडियस, ये भी रेडियस क्या है ना हेमिस्फीयर में, तो यहाँ रेडियस, रेडियस और रेडियस. Of course, this radius can also be called height of hemisphere. When any term height is used in statement, the height of hemisphere is nothing but
Radius.
I haven't seen such statement. लेकिन मैंने आपको बताया तो मैं पूछ सकता हूँ. Okay. So what is the radius of this hemisphere given?
21.
Yes, radius. Directly radius is given. And first thing, you have to find the curved surface
Area.
Yes, Maitri. Curved surface area.
2 pi r square.
Very good. Now, curved surface area is 2 times pi r
Square.
Sit. Okay. Put the values. Radius is given to you. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r square. That is 21 square. So 21 into
21.
और जिसका इंतजार था वो तो हो जाता है, मतलब इजीली कैंसिल होता है. Now if you want 3 2s are 6. So 21 multiplied by 6, 6 and 12. So 126 into ये 3 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, नाउ इनटू 22 यही मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 0 12 5 और 2 2 5 2 2 7 7 2. So that is 2772. What is that? Curved surface area and centimeter
Square.
and you will have to write the answer. The curved surface area of the given hemisphere is 2772 centimeter.
Square.
Now you have to go for the calculation of total surface area. All right, and total surface area is equal to, yes beta, what is the total surface area of hemisphere? What is curved surface area? 2 pi r square. Or bottom surface area? Pi r square. So what is 2 pi r square plus pi r square? आवाज निकल नहीं रही है. हाँ, ये वोकल, हाँ शायद वोकल बहुत ठंडी से जम गया है. 3 pi r. There you are. Now you have to put the value and calculate. 22 upon 7. R is 21. So r square will be 21 into 21. Yes. 3s are. Now this is 3. 3s are 9. So 21 multiplied by 9 पहले कर दो. ये 22 रहने दो. 22 को रहने दिया. Now 9 and 8. So this is 189. 189 into 22. 0, 18, 17, 3. 3, 7, 8. 8, 5, 11, 4. So that is 4,158. What have we been finding? The total surface area. That is area only. So area. And the unit is centimeter. And then you can write the answer. The total surface area of given hemisphere is 4,158. Whenever you have statement, word problem in the form of statement, you should write the answer. Be careful. Children don't have habit of doing that. Understood?
Yes.
Can we move on to the next one?
Yes.
What number is that? Let's see the statement. A hollow sphere. How is the sphere? Hollow हो या solid हो, उसका outer surface ही है उसके पास. Solid sphere है, क्योंकि when it is hemisphere तो hollow और solid में थोड़ा difference बनेगा, right? When we are talking about area, finding area की बात करेंगे तो hollow sphere का outer surface ही है, solid sphere होगा तो भी उसका outer curved surface ही है. The hollow sphere in which circus motorcyclist, okay, performs his stunts has diameter 7. अरे वो सर्कस साइकिल 7 सेंटीमीटर hollow sphere में खेल करेगा. 7 मीटर. Find the area available to the motorcyclist for riding. क्या ऐसा hollow sphere देखा है वे मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट राइड क्या कहते हैं हमारे यहाँ? मौत का कुआं. करेक्ट, मौत का कुआं. राइट. देखा है ना सबने? So this time the sphere is hollow and it is very large with radius 7 meter. All right, and the motorcyclist is going to use inner surface area. Okay. इसका radius दिया है 7. Very simple children. Find the area available to the motorcyclist for the ride. So अंदर का पूरा surface area he is going to get. And what is that inner surface area of sphere?
4 pi r square.
हाँ, लेकिन उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Curved surface area. So we have to find curved surface area, or you can say total surface area. It's one in the same. All. Again, not required, and still I am drawing it. This is sphere. Radius is given how much? Oh, it's diameter, not radius. It is diameter. Diameter is 7 meter. So radius will be 7 by 2 meter because radius is equal to diameter divided by this. You know, अब 5th standard से पढ़ के आ रहे हैं relation between diameter and radius. Radius is half of diameter. So if diameter is 7, 7 divided by 2. So and you have to write the formula. R is equal to D by 2. Ready? Okay. Now you have to just find the area. So now बोलिए आप total surface area बोलो, curved surface area बोलो या simply write surface area. That is equal to 4 times pi r square. So 4 into r square. It is 7 by 2r. So r square will be 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. You are very eager to get rid of this 7. And yes. Done. Yes. 2. अरे 2 and 2 4. और ये 4 भी चला गया. Is that okay? So nothing is left in the denominator. Now only 22 and 7. So 22 multiplied by 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 and 1 15. This is 154. And this is area. Area. Meter square. And then you can write the answer. The motorcyclist will get 154 meter square area for riding. Is that clear?
Yes.
अच्छा लगता है वो खेल? दिल की धड़कन बढ़ाता है ना भाई? देखते देखते. और अपना दिल थोड़ा कमजोर हो तो देखने मत जाना. ओके, ठीक है. और आगे नंबर 10 थोड़ा सा अलग है, but it's quite easy. Quite easy. Are you prepared?
Yes.
Should I read the question?
Yes.
Why don't you read? Come on.
A hemisphere dome of a building needs to be painted.
Okay. A hemispherical dome of a building needs to be
Painted.
I'll put that dome in the form of diagram. ये कुछ बिल्डिंग का बेस है और उसके ऊपर डोम, ऐसा हेमिस्फेरिकल डोम है. आर यू गेटिंग मी?
Yes, sir.
ये डोम है. दिस इज द डोम. ये रेडियस, ये रेडियस, ये. Now this hemispherical dome constructed on the top of the building, all right, is to be painted. Children, where do you find this type of domes usually? In the mosque, sometimes even in the temple, all right. In temple you will find even conical tops. Okay. Anyways, the first statement informs us that there is a dome on the top of the building, and this dome has to be
Painted.
क्या पेंट करेंगे? उसकी सिर्फ
बहुत
क्योंकि ये नीचे का भाग तो आगे जॉइंट है, फिक्स्ड है. देखते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. यस.
If the circumference of the base of the dome is 17.6 meters.
There is twist in the question. Circumference is given, not radius or diameter. If diameter is given, half कर दो. If radius is given, तो सीधा यूज कर दो. बट यहाँ तो सर्कम्फरेंस दिया, होगा उसका इलाज होगा, डोंट वरी. सो सर्कम्फरेंस ऑफ दैट बेस, दैट सर्कम्फरेंस ऑफ द बेस इज
7.6 meter.
वेरी गुड. आगे
Find the cost of painting it. Given cost of painting is per rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square.
all right, centimeter or meter square. Yeah, that is also a problem. Are you sure in the statement it is centimeter square?
Yes.
Very good. This rate is given to you in terms of centimeter square, and this is meter. So we'll have to find in terms of centimeter so that it will rate match with the unit given in the rate. Okay, chali. First of all, I'll write circumference. How much is circumference? 17.6 meter. 17.6. बाद में हम circumference मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I want radius. Children, I got A equal to B. ऐसा ही कुछ है ना? Circumference is equal to 17.6. But if I know A is also equal to C, then I can write here. If A is also equal to C, then I can write here. And this develops transitivity. This develops. But when I know A is also equal to C, I extend this condition by writing equal to C. है ना? आगे भी ऐसा आ चुका है. Okay. So I can extend the condition here, circumference. क्योंकि circumference is what? The formula is equal to 2 pi, and then you call it result number. So here is a situation where you can extend the condition. There is formula to find circumference. Are you getting me? फिर लिखूंगा. Therefore, बोलो 2 pi r is equal to 17.6. If I want, I can remove the decimal so upon. आगे कैलकुलेशन करता हूं मैं अब. बोलो. Therefore, 2 into 22 upon into r. It's not known. That is 176 upon. Chaliye. We want r. So leave r alone on left hand side. 176 upon 10. These two numbers are already there on right hand side. Take 7 on other side, it will multiply. Take 2 and 22 on other side, it will divide. Hopefully this should be a multiple of 2. 2 तो है ही 11. चलो 2 से कैंसिल करो. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, है ना? और 22 1s are 22 4s are. So you got 28 upon 10. That is radius. No, I'm not putting decimal. 2 point, but this is meter. I want
Centimeter.
right. So therefore, radius is equal to 28 upon 10 multiplied by 100.
Centimeter.
If you don't know this, how you got it, आप सिर्फ ये काम करो, मीटर और सेंटीमीटर. Now you know the relationship. What is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter? और ये what is this? 28 upon 10 meter. So put in meter column. 28 upon 10 meter is how much? Cross multiplication. मिल गया ना? 28 upon 10 multiplied by. Or just remember, when you have to convert meter into centimeter, multiply by 100. And if you have to convert centimeter into meter, divide by 100. Is that clear? Alright. So ये थोड़ा आसान हो गया. And that is equal to 280. अरे centimeter, what meter? 280. So we got the radius. अब पेंट क्या करना है? कर्व से. पेंट क्या करना है? कर्व सरफेस. Alright. चलो. Let's find out. I'm going to put the title. What title? Area under painting. Area under
Painting.
को title देने वाला. And I'm going to write area is equal to. बोलो. 2 pi r. Comes up say there is only 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is how much? Sorry, I didn't put square here. Yeah, it has to be square. Alright. Into bolo 280 multiplied by 2. ये कैंसिल हो गया है तो कर दो 7 1 जा 7 4 जा 0 जा and then ये 42 जा 80 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 280. This is not my final answer, so I'm going to leave like that only. Right? What is this? Area or centimeter. So much area is to be maintained. Now you have to find what? Cost. So area and cost. Of course, cost is in terms of rupees and area is in terms of. Actually, we could have got meter square, but because the rate is given in centimeter square, we transformed meter into. So now it's a good match. Yes. What is that rate? Oh, how many centimeter square? 100. For 100 centimeter square of painting, the cost is rupees. And how many centimeter square painting has to be done? The bracket. Say bracket. So bracket. What is that? 80 into 22 into 280. So what will be the cost? So here we have cross. First period and units. Now this is equal to 80 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 280 bracket into 5 upon 100 आ गया रिडक्शन के लिए कुछ रिड्यूस होगा एक तो 0 गया एंड मल्टीपल ओ दूसरा 0 भी गया राइट है ना अब ये ओके 28 piles are I'll have to do the multiplication 28 piles are 40 and this is 14 multiplied by 8 है क्या नहीं so 0 32 3 or 11 multiplied by 22 sure no? 0 0 4 2 2 2 2 4 0 0 4 6 4 so 2 4 6 4 0 2 4 6 4 0 rupees is what cost and then don't forget to write the answer alright then the cost of painting this dome will be rupees 24,640 is that clear understood so that was all in today's session see you in the next session till then goodbye have a nice day
Stay safe.